I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vermicelli noodles perfectly every time. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to select either thin rice vermicelli or cellophane noodles, depending on your dish. Make sure you have a large pot, at least 4 quarts, and plenty of water available. It's also a good idea to have all your other ingredients, such as vegetables or protein, prepped and ready to go before you begin the cooking process. There are 2 primary methods for cooking vermicelli noodles. For most varieties, you'll bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully submerge the noodles, ensuring they are fully covered, and cook them for a short period, typically between 2 and 3 minutes. For very thin rice vermicelli, an alternative is to simply soak them in hot, not boiling, water for about 5 to 10 minutes until they are tender. Knowing when your vermicelli noodles are perfectly cooked is key. You want them to be tender but still have a slight bite, what we call al dente, not soft or mushy. Once they reach this stage, immediately drain them using a fine mesh colander to prevent them from breaking. Then, rinse them thoroughly under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This crucial step stops the cooking and prevents them from sticking together. Now that your vermicelli noodles are perfectly cooked and cooled, they're ready for your culinary creations. A great tip is to toss them gently with a small amount of neutral oil, like sesame or vegetable oil, to ensure they remain separate and don't clump. These versatile noodles are fantastic in stir-fries, refreshing cold salads, or as a filling for fresh spring rolls. Serve them promptly with your preferred sauces and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.